Guys, alright, so I was checking this bearing too, because it's been, I just put this here to get it out of the way. It's handy if you ever need to put a little, one tire. See, and it's right there, you don't have to go dig through that or that. I just always kept it on here. But this wheel, man, it's still pretty bad, but it's a bearing that's wobbly. It's like really, really, really wobbly. It just goes a little bit, but it used to be like this, but now it's kind of like this, a little bit smoother. I went around here and drove around in a circle here, around down the street here, yeah. So drove down the street and drive around the circle. What am I saying? Up and down the street, and it was still kind of messing up. So I tried again, mess with something else. I tried to see. I think, if possible, I might be able to fit another little small little washer on there, but I don't know. But it's okay now, but it's a little bit better. All the wheels are better. I mean, that's what they needed. They were wobbling all the time, every time you'd use it. And that's kind of why I didn't really use this. But yeah, now that I did that, it is much better shape now. So yeah, anyways, gonna use this for a little while and then put it back outside and use the main trailer again. But who knows when I get around to doing that again and using it again, because it's all out here with stuff in it, and more stuff to come. So it's just gonna keep all the junk and stuff for a little while, and yeah. So, but yeah. Anyways, it's gonna be raining here, so I'm gonna put this here and here. Keep it out of the rain and weather. Always have it inside, but I don't want it to be dry. So yeah. Anyways, so tomorrow, I don't know, we might mess with that wheel and see if we can do something about fitting on another washer or something of some sort to, start something like that. But yeah, so we'll do that sometime, and I'm just gonna do all this here. So I do have more washers. Hey, how did that get in there? Perfectly good gasket. That's either for a Mantis Tiller or a ES 2100, or I don't know. Maybe even a SRAM 225. I don't know. Maybe it's for the 225, but I don't know. That's kind of weird. I must have just put the old gasket on or something. But yeah. Anyways, we're gonna didn't want the pressure to get out of there. Seemed like it was having pressure or something being released, so just fix that. But yeah, anyways, we'll probably mess with some of this stuff tomorrow, but in the wheel. But yeah, tomorrow will be much probably a little bit better, but it's gonna be raining, so we're also gonna be stuck in the shed. Put this, does that go there or right there? Yeah, I guess right there. Wiring's been hanging down for a while. We're gonna have to do some wiring work, and oh yeah. So, anyways, we'll see you guys later. Bye.